Hey everyone, welcome back to another amazing breakdown of this amazing track, Facetime. So without any delay, let's jump right into the tutorial. For this track, we've kept the tempo at 98 BPM. Next comes the rhythm section. The rhythm section is really catchy and has that 50-cent kind of pattern. This consists of a kick, clap, and a hi-hat. Let's see how this rhythm goes like. Next is the bass. This bass has slight harmonics, which sounds really complementing to the rhythm. Moving on to the melody section. The main element of this section is a guitar. And this guitar is then complemented with a clavinet. Some strings to fill those mids. And finally, some ear candies like this muted guitar. Let's hear how these sound all together. Also in the drop section, a famous Punjabi folk melody has been played. Lovely. Let's hear it with other elements. And finally, a FX sound at the transitions. Here we're done with the elementation. Now let's hear the track all along with the vocals.
बैठा खब्बी सीट ते मैं का सर्वस हो जू साली
वे बेबे पूछे की करदा ते पूछ दिया मैनू मेरी मासी
मैं चाचे कोलों सिखा कौटियां ते बिल्लो ताए कोलों सिखा बदमाशी
ओ मैं क्या चल नाल डरते कहंदा सॉरी सॉरी अज पैनी पेशी
ओ गड्डियां वलैत दियां विच घुमदे मावां दे पुੱਤ देसी गड्डियां वलैत दियां विच घुमदे मावां दे पुੱਤ देसी